God, the last 2 times I tried to record this, I forgot to turn on my microphone, bro. So I hope this actually works. Unlike all the other times I tried this. But anyways, oof! So remember we played Sprunki? Yes, I remember that, Goofy. Okay, bet. So now that you remember that, we can say that I'm gonna do this Sprunki. So, this was like another edition of Sprunki that I really liked. And, so I downloaded it, I like saved the website and the app, and now I'm going to screen record the entire thing of it, my entire skibbity toilet. But anyways, let's go. I think this version actually has more BBGs than the last one. So yay, more for me. Get out! Okay, loading. Bro, what are these labels pop-up things yapping about, bro? Like, what are they yapping about? Okay, anyways, bruh. Ooh, this is just the boringest thing ever, bro. Like, what the what? Bruh. Finally, the lobby bar is finished. That took like 2,000 billion and trillion years. Okay, anyways. Run. Mr. Fun's reference? Oh. Horror mode is still in progress, so stay tuned for a new update in the future. So is horror mode still gonna activate? Okay, bet. I read the whole thing. Now I'm gonna turn on my desired settings. Basically, I'm just gonna turn on everything except old sounds. That's it. Okay, anyway, so I think we should do the bonus characters first because I think the normal characters are way too fire. But anyway, so what is this guy? Well, this is literally like Cutter, bro. Oh my god, wow. Well, let me check if my microphone's on. It's on, let's go. Okay, anyways. Okay, booming. Now let's do stupid grass. That's pretty fire, but I don't know. What about this one? Get out! What about this one? Well, go in here. Okay, that's fire. But what about mustard? Okay, pretty fire. Anyways, what about Skibbity? Okay, what about bubble gums? Let's go! That's my fourth BBG. Okay, anyways, Skibbity toilet? But what is my brother doing here?
Are you done yet?
No, I'm not done yet. No, bro. Guys, for those who don't understand, my brother secretly uses my second laptop and will take ownership of it once he has to start homeschooling. So yeah, I'm not going to be able to use this in August. Sad emoji. But it's okay, because we got everything under control for now. Anyway, what about the cone person? 3 Sigma. Okay, but what about the last bonus character? What does he bring to our table? That's fire. But why does bro make the cringiest possible face while making a fire sound? Like it doesn't mix correctly. But anyways, what about the orange person? Okay, pretty simple. Red guy. Alright, bro, this is pretty Sigma. But, what about the, scientist? Yo, bro is the nerdiest nerd of all nerds. That's pretty, I don't know. Funbot. Or Robot Guy. Or no, I would like to call him Robotop. Bro, literally Robotop Geometry Dash reference? Bro, I literally quit Geometry Dash. For those who don't know, I legit quit Geometry Dash because it's so boring and stupid. Psych. It's not boring or stupid, but still, bro. I just quit Geometry Dash and I decided to play chess instead. But bro, I'm a whole piece of work because I'm literally interested in a lot of different things that are basically polar opposites. Like Sprunki is like a 2025 game that is like musical creatures, and chess is literally a game invented, I don't know, centuries ago. That is like, I don't know, a game of war. So yeah, bro, I'm literally like interested in two different things that are like polar opposites. Like, that's the craziest possible thing ever, bro. Oh yeah, and I think I'm also interested in Undertale. Yeah, like literally, bro, these things are like so far apart from each other, and I'm interested in all these things that don't even have any correlation whatsoever. I mean, there are videos combining them together, but it's hard to find Sprunky X Undertale videos in this universe. But yeah, what am I yapping about? Anyways, let's get to my first BBG, who was also the least Sigma one, but Sigma enough, I guess, to be on my list of BBGs. Anyways, next. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, this guy literally tried to ruin the entire university. Not the university, the universe, because he was the jealousest of the jealousest of my Sigma-ness. Get out! Okay, anyways, what about the brown guy? Bro, he just deleted himself. Let's play him again. Shit! Okay, anyways. Okay. That bro made the sad face. Okay, anyways. Skibbity. Okay. Basic. Forgettable. Okay, what about this guy? Pretty majestic, but what about the Skibbity sun? Is it the sun? Okay, bro, I'm done. Dirtballs. One of my favorite rock characters. Oh wait, that's stupid. Anyways, tree. Whatever. Anyways, Skibbity time in. That was fire, bro. What in the Skibbity Sigma? Okay, what about hat? Why does bro not have an animation? And why does bro sound like the normal Sprunky? Okay, what about computers?
Hands up, I feel the bruising with us and let's unite in this club time. Come on, dance out of dance, the rhythm is all in you, take a chance. Hands up, I feel the bruising.
Okay, pretty Sigma. What about my second and most skibbity sigma BBG. Okay, pretty sigma. What about my third and final probably BBG? Actually, no. This is my fourth one because this one is also on my BBG list. So, anyways, yeah. What about the blue person? Majestic as always. Anyways, does this guy activate horror mode? Nope, not. Wait, is he gonna transform? What? Why is it not activating horror mode? So this guy is a good guy in this version of Sprunky? Okay, pretty sigma. So we did all the characters, now it's time to do a Sprunky mix, bro. Because we haven't done that. So I'm going to put all of my BBGs in this secluded category. Because they're pretty sigma. Anyway, so yeah. And Simon is my favorite character, so why not put them next to my BBGs, bro? Why not? Anyways, here we go! This is a Sigma mix. Okay, that was pretty sigma, guys, but I'm sorry I gotta go because I actually have a life and I need to do things that normal humans do. But yeah, guys, I'll put on the skibbity sigma fantastic skibbity sigma fantabulous skibbity sigma day because I don't know. That's just how the world works. But anyways, peace out, guys, and see you in my next video if I ever upload another video on this channel. But I just want to tell you guys some lore. I'm secretly saving up for a secret object, like a secret thing. It's over like $300 though, so it's gonna take me months and months to save it since I get like only $38 a month since I'm literally just like skibbity toilet. So yeah, guys, but it's a secret thing, and I'll show you guys when I upload the new video on my channel, bro. But it's something to do with chess. But anyway, guys, peace out, and see you. I don't know, in my next video in 8 months later or something. Peace.